Hey guys, welcome back to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to download Minecraft on iPhone. Alright, let's get it started. So right now I don't have any access to iPhone, but I'll show you how you can do it. So the first step is to go to the App Store. So let's go ahead and go to the App Store from my laptop. So here you can see, once you go to the App Store, you can see various applications that are available on the store. So next what you have to do is go to the search button. So in an iPhone you will see you'll have a search button. So what you have to do is just click on search button and then search for Minecraft. Alright, just go ahead and search for Minecraft, and here you can see this is our game. So now what you have to do is just click on view more or click on the game itself, and here you can see it says the app is available only on the App Store for iPhone and iPad. So if you are on your iPhone, you can just head on to the App Store, search for Minecraft, and it will cost some money to download it. Here you can see it costs $6.99. So make sure you have the payment method set up. Then what you can do is just pay for the game and download, and then you can enjoy playing Minecraft on your iPhone. So that's it. That is how you'll be able to download Minecraft on iPhone. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.